Hey, so okay, as you guys know, I have the Basic to Boss Academy. This is for any brand or business that wants to dominate on social media, increase sales. Something we do every day for 6 and 7 figure bosses, and some 8 figure bosses. As the ad guys in the room to the right. What up, Cole? I just need a verbal what up.
What up?
Point is, we know how to make companies money, and it's really awesome. It's a great business to get into. But first of all, if you're sitting there and you think like, oh, I don't have the skill, I don't have the time, I don't have the team, I'm telling you, all you need is a phone and an internet connection. I'll tell you what, this is how I led to working with AJ over here, because he's a complete professional, and I didn't think that I could ever make $1 selling a course to him in person. Although he's from my area, I would have thought he was a competitor. How did you come into my network and end up doing business with me, I guess?
So it was really interesting because I was in the same mindset as Anthony was when I originally heard it, and I wanted to see what it was all about. I was gonna say, I mean, it was definitely one of those things where I seen the program, I heard about the academy, and I was like, a group of professionals working to help each other and to grow, your business, grow your content, grow the things you're doing inside of that, help you network outside of people you would normally see or competitors that you think you get. And I was like, why not take a shot on it? And it was probably one of the best experiences, being able to work side by side with somebody that, we're not actually competitors. The niches are completely different. There's a lot of different things that we focus on, but it helped me grow my business to bring on my own clients that, a lot of times I do have to call up Anthony and be like, hey, I need help with this, because that's not my field.
And because he's in the academy, we go live, we help you guys. You got access for a year. It's a 90-day transformational program, and honestly, I think you did it in like 28. You did it in less than 30 days, dude. I'm like, this guy's a psycho. And some of the things he would call me for, I'd be like, hey, that's actually that's this video in here. Go revisit that. And you're like, oh yeah. It's so hands-free for you.
I mean, what do we have to say? When you listen, you go through a course, you always want to go through it a few times. You want to watch one of the courses, write some stuff down, but I was really, really wanting to learn what it was all about and how to help my clients from what I was learning. Because a lot of the things in there would help any business grow. So my job is to help other businesses grow. So what I've learned has really transformed and helped my clients actually improve what the services they're getting from me.
I mean, some of the things I've seen, some of your clients already, some of their audience is exploding, some of them having, helping them make money. It's a good business to be in. It's but I mean, the marketing principles is so easy. We make it easy. It's people that overcomplicate things, but more importantly, there's a lot of places that will not teach you, hey, focus on this before this for this result, and that's literally how I teach it. That's why I say, if you have a phone internet connection, this is so easy for you to do. But more importantly, let's just talk about some of your wins after coming through Basic to Boss Academy, because it's not cheap, but is it worth it, and why?
Oh, it definitely worth it. The skill sets that you can learn through the Basic to Boss program itself, half of them they don't even teach you in college. A lot of them were, actually updated, and, really content is the biggest thing that I guess I didn't realize prior to it. So it's one of the biggest things to learn, one of the biggest things to set up, getting those testimonial type videos, doing them right. And doing them in a total different way than what anybody sees. A lot of times it's Google reviews, stuff like that, but that was a huge thing out of the program that really helped.
And I guess, what were some really quick wins that you could jump in and within one video implement from within the Basic to Boss teachings?
Oh, definitely.
I just want to hear from you. I mean, I know what they are, but
using the right programs, actually using the right systems, those type of things got me wins that got me one client for $2,400 a month. But that would be one of definitely the biggest things is using the right systems and learning how to use them.
So I've seen other businesses coming in, just swipe the Basic to Boss program, and I've seen other people come into the academy because we've had wins for niches that are traditionally hard, like for photographers, for videographers, for people selling a high ticket service, for people selling health and beauty. The marketing principles stay the same, but the fact is they don't teach it in this way that you can literally transform your life and income by just focusing on these few things in a very short amount of time. It's like, what would you rather do? Would you rather go to college for 4 years and hopefully maybe learn the skills at a surface level skill set? I mean, if you look at it,
the money it cost me to join in the academy and have a group of actual everyday working professionals, like ad set people that actually know what's going on, versus a 4-year college
As he's sitting over there, Cole, thank you, bro.
You can't train what happens daily in a classroom. Unfortunately, it's just something that I learned really quick, and I almost failed trying to do it the other way.
Yeah, honestly, I couldn't agree with you more there, because there's a lot of things that brought me to my own transformation, and then once I realized, like, I keep giving the same transformation to multiple clients that are having the multiple thing, and it results in success. And the only way that I didn't see it work is by people not taking it serious, that really don't want the results for themselves, or they don't want to grow their business, or they don't want to, or they just want to earn an extra $5,000 a month or $2,000 a month. Then they get complacent. They're like only working when they hit motivation, and motivation for them might only strike once a week. And if it strikes while they're at the gym, they're not going to go work in their business. They're going to go just lift or something.
The bad habit checker.
Discipline.
Bad habit checker. For
he's
sure.
He's talking about
that's
the course here.
That's something that, obviously, like the Basic to Boss course, if you're a do-it-yourself type of person, just buying the course is great. Go off, do it yourself.
Yeah, that's
affordable. But if you're somebody that actually wants to grow and learn and become part of a network that's No,
I'm not cutting that out.
That was well more worth it, or worth more well. How do I say that correctly?
No, that's perfect.
That is well worth it. There we go. English words.
That is great.
It's well worth it in general, because you're checking yourself. And if you can't be honest with yourself, get out of the business and go get a 9-to-5.
Yeah, honestly, we've made this so, like, they say they call it shoot fish in a barrel. It's just like getting those instant win tickets. I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say either, but it is the best way to create short-term success, and then to expand on it if you take daily action. But that's what we can give you for tips right now. But more importantly, like with him being within the academy, which is, obviously based on Boston 90-day program that you can do in 30 days or less in his case, and start implementing for your clients, start implementing and having wins for them, start raising your prices, start, just having all these wins, and that you don't have to have a social media business to get this. Like, I've seen other people, like I said, other types of professionals that are go to basicboss.com and just scroll the list of people in different niches. Like, we have one guy, he's a TikTok influencer. We got, and he's actually an entrepreneur within the private academy. We got Tad from Tad Photography. Like, he's a beast, pro photo and videographer. We've had some wins with, and there's just all sorts of little wins that people have been capitalizing. They're like, oh, this works, now double, triple that, and it just keeps happening. And it's like, why would you not? Why would you not? That's fine if you don't want to. This is also why we create content, to help you guys hopefully realize those gaps in your education so we can help you. But more importantly, like, I want to transform your life and income, by learning high income skill set, making you more valuable and making you more money.
What he said.
I don't know. What could you tell to anybody else that was like thinking about joining the year program, I guess?
If you're going to put your money into something and invest in something, invest in a team that wants to invest in you, and join the academy. That's honestly the biggest thing I can say, is because joining the academy not only gives you people to work with, it gives you the program to know what to do, whether it's you or your marketing specialist or whoever's doing it. If you want to grow, this is the place you want to be.
Ask us your questions, guys. We'll see you inside the academy. Till next time. We'll turn the mic on, or we'll turn the mic off?
On. Is it on?
It's